With Christmas now behind us, it's time to look forward to the new year. And what better way to celebrate it than with food? To close out the holiday season, I'll be making banitsa. And you're probably wondering, what in tarnation is that boy talking about? Well, let me enlighten you. Banitsa is a traditional Bulgarian dish made with just a few simple ingredients, mainly filo pastry and cheese. It's commonly eaten for breakfast all year round, but on New Year's Eve it's prepared a little differently. We make small charms and hide them inside the banitsa, kind of like fortune cookies. These usually stand for things like love, health, happiness and luck, but people get creative with them all the time. Now, with the history lesson over, let's get to cooking. Welcome to I can kinda sorta make banitsa because I made it once like 5 years ago. I start by cracking the eggs into the biggest bowl I could find and giving them a good whisk. Next up is the butter. I melt it in the smallest saucepan I could find, and while that's happening, I add the yogurt, cheese and baking soda to the bowl. Once the butter is melted, I slowly add it to the mixture while stirring, making sure everything combines properly. I use about 3/4 of the butter here and set the rest aside for later. And believe it or not, it's already time to assemble. I lay out 2 sheets of filo pastry on top of each other and start adding the filling. The goal is to loosely cover most of the sheet, but I'm not stressing if I miss a spot or two. For me, it took about 5 to 6 tablespoons per piece, but honestly, just eyeball it. I place the charm in the center, fold it up, lift carefully and transfer to a round baking tray. Then I repeat the process. One important thing here is to keep the unused filo sheets covered with a tea towel. They dry out very quickly, and once that happens, they start cracking, the filling leaks out, and everything turns into a mess. Ask me how I know. What's funny is that I actually really love banitsa, but for years I either bought it fresh from the shop or frozen in little packets. After making the video, I realized just how easy it is to make at home, and how much better it tastes compared to store-bought. Once you get used to homemade food, it's really hard to go back to takeaways and freezer meals. Anyway, back to it. Once all the pieces are neatly lined up in the tray, I take the butter I set aside earlier and spread it over the top. You don't have to use all of it, just stop when it feels right. The banitsa goes into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes, or until it looks nice and golden. And there we have it, it's out, it looks great, and I'll probably eat at least half of it. I guess that means a lot of cardio next year to make up for it. Now, on a side note, I know I haven't been making content for a long time, but I'm really enjoying making these videos and I'm excited for what's coming next year. So, to the very few of you who have stuck around until now, thank you for watching, have a happy new year, and I'll see you in a bit.